How to fix Apex Legends keeps crashing on Steam. So first you want to right click on the Apex Legends game, go to properties, and then go to launch options under general tab and type -dx11 like this. Now you want to go to the installed files. So if it's installed already, you want to go to installed files and then click on verify the integrity of game files, and then just wait for this process to finish, as it might take a while. Now you want to click on the browse button and find Apex Legends exe file. Right click on it and then click on properties, compatibility tab, and disable full screen optimizations. Check it, and then check run this program as administrator, then click on OK. Now you can close out of this and open up your GPU application. So for NVIDIA, it's NVIDIA app. You'll need to download and install it if you don't have it. Then you want to go to drivers tab and check for updates, and make sure to download the latest game ready driver. And once you install it, you will be prompted to restart your computer. And simply once you do that, you should open up Steam again and boot up Apex Legends, and this should fix the problem. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.